Welcome to our channel Easy Learn, Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
In this video, we are going to see Chapter 3, Plants from NSO MTG Workbook of Class 5. The skills covered in this chapter are parts of a plant, vegetative reproduction in plants, seed structure and germination, seed dispersal, agriculture, things we get from plants. First one. Which of the following shows the correct match of seed and its mode of dispersal? So A is a dandelion. It is dispersed by wind. So A option is incorrect. B, it is lotus. It is dispersed by water. So option B is correct. C, xanthium. It is dispersed by animals. So C option is incorrect. D, P, it is dispersed by explosion. So only option B is correct match of seed and its mode of dispersal. So option B is the correct answer. Second one. Select the plant pair that shows similar mode of vegetative reproduction. A, radish potato. B, coconut mango. C, rose dahlia. D, carrot turnip. So carrot turnip can be propagated vegetatively by sowing suitable sections of their roots. So only option D is the correct answer. Option D. Third one. In India, crops that are grown in winter are called Rabi crops. Which of the following are Rabi crops? 1, radish. 2, mustard. 3, rice. 4, millet. 5, cabbage. 6, watermelon. 7, peach. 8, cauliflower. So radish, mustard, cabbage and cauliflower are called Rabi crops as they grow in winter. Okay, radish, mustard, cabbage, cauliflower. So 1, 2, 5, 8 are called Rabi crops as they grow in winter. Rice, millet, watermelon and peach are kharif crops as they grow in summer. Okay, so 1, 2, 5 and 8 only. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Option D. Fourth one. The main purpose of the implement shown in the figure is A, digging the soil. B, digging out the plants from the soil. C, sprinkling water on the field. D, sowing the seed. The implement shown in the figure is seed drill. Okay, the implement shown in the figure is seed drill. The implement's sharp and digs the soil and seeds from the funnel gets down in the soil. This way seeds are sown in the field. Okay, the implement shown in the figure is seed drill. The implement sharp edge and dig the soil and seed from the funnel gets down in the soil. This way seeds are sown in the field. So option D, the main purpose of the implement shown in the figure is sowing the seed. Option D is the correct answer. Option D. Fifth one. If part X will be absent in a plant, new plant will not be produced. X is dash. A, stem. B, root. C, flower. D, leaves. Flower changes into fruits and fruit bears seed. Seeds give rise to new plants when sown into soil. So if part flower is absent in a plant, new plant will not be produced. So X is a flower. X is a flower. Option C is the correct answer. Sixth. Dash is the plant that disperses its seed by the same agency as the plant shown here. A, dandelion. B, coconut. C, mango. D, tiger's claw. So seed in both cotton and dandelion plants are dispersed by wind. The given plant is cotton plant. The seeds are dispersed by wind, same as seed in dandelion also dispersed by wind. So option A is the correct answer. Option A. 7th. The given figure shows plant spot labeled as P, Q, R and S. Which of the following options correctly lists the plant in which labeled part is edible? So P is a stem, Q is a leaf, R is a seed and S is root. Okay, S is root. So option A, P, sugarcane, potato, sweet potato. So P is a stem. So sugarcane, potato, sweet potato. B, Q, maize, cauliflower, cabbage. Q is a leaf. C, R, rajma, soybean. P. So R is a seed. R is a seed. D, yes, ginger, carrot, onion. So we know S is a root. So the edible part in rajma, soybean and P is a seed. So option C is a correct answer. Option C. 8th. Dash is the tool used for sowing seeds in agriculture. A hoe, B plough, C seed drill, D shovel. So already we discussed this question. Yes, in the question. Yeah, in the question 4. Okay, it's a seed drill. Okay. So seed drill is a tool used for sowing seeds in agriculture. It has a funnel shaped part where seeds are put in. These seeds are buried deep in the soil through hollow pipes. So option C is the correct answer. 9th. The plant X can be dashed. A, mustard, B, coriander, C, clove, D, both A and C. So X is a plant which yield both cooking oil and spice. So mustard seeds are used as spice as well as they yield oil. Cloves are used only as spice, but their oil is used for medicinal purpose, not for cooking. Okay, it's not a cooking oil. Coriander is used as only spice. So option A is the correct answer. Option A. Mustard yields cooking oil and also is used as spice. Option A. 10th. Read the following experiment and answer the following question. Ria cut a piece from a potato with an eye or bud, with shoots growing from it. She put it in a pot containing soil, kept this in the sunlight and watered it regularly. She soon saw a potato plant growing from it. What can be concluded from this experiment? A. Potato is an underground stem. B. In many plants, reproduction takes place through vegetative parts like root, stem and leaves. C. Plant need sunlight and water to grow. D. In many plants, reproduction takes place through seeds. So she can conclude that some plants reproduce through body parts such as stems, leaves or roots. Potato is an underground stem that has bud known as eyes. These buds grow into new plants. So option B, okay, option B is the correct answer. She can conclude that in many plants reproductive take place through vegetative parts like root, stem and leaves. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. Next 11th one. The seed shown here is most likely to be dispersed by dash. A. Water, B. Wind, C. Animals, D. Cannot say. So the given plant is xanthium seed. It has stiff hairs that get stuck to the hairy skin of animals and are carried away. Thus, this seed is most likely to be dispersed by animals. Okay, the seed shown here is most likely to be dispersed by animals. Option C is the correct answer. 12th one. Refer to the given figure and select the incorrect option regarding it. So W is flower, Z is leaf, X is stem, Y is root. A. In some plants, W has no important role in reproduction. Example, sugarcane. Yes, flower has no important role in reproduction in sugarcane plant. So option A is correct statement. B. In some plant, X is used for reproduction. Example, rose. Yes, in rose plant, stem is used for reproduction. So B also correct statement. C. In some plants, Y is edible. Example, cucumber. So Y part is root. In cucumber plant, the edible part is its fruit, not root. So option C is incorrect statement. Option C is incorrect statement. D. In some plants, Z is edible. Example, cabbage. Yes, Z is leaf. The edible part of cabbage is leaf. So A, B and D are correct statement. Only option C is incorrect. So we need to select only the incorrect statement. So option C is the correct answer. 13th. Ravi took a potted plant. He applied Vaseline on both sides of some leaves and wrapped them in polythene A, while he wrapped some leaves in polythene B without applying Vaseline and kept the setup in sunlight as shown in the figure. Okay, please check the figure. Now select the correct statement regarding it. Okay, we need to select the correct statement. A. He applied Vaseline as he wants to study transpiration in plants. Correct statement. B. He kept the plant in sunlight because higher temperature favors transpiration. Correct statement. C. Water released by leaves through transpiration in polythene B turn into water droplet by condensation. So C also correct statement. So option D, all of these. Select the correct statement regarding it is all the statement are correct. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. 14th. Refer to the given figure and select the correct option about the part X and Y of a seed. A. Part X give rise to the new plant. So we need to select the correct option. Okay. B. Part Y gives nutrition to the young plant. C. Part Y give rise to new plant. D. Both A and B. Here the part X is the baby plant or embryo and part Y is the cotyledon or seed leaves. So baby plant give rise to new plant. Option A is correct, while the cotyledon or seed leaves store food for the baby plant. So option B also correct. Part X, okay, baby plant give rise to the new plant. Part Y, that is cotyledon, gives nutrition to the young plant. So both A and B, option D is the correct answer. Option D. 15th. Shruti took a white carnation flower and split its stalk halfway along the length and arranged a setup as shown in the given figure. After some time, she observed that half of the petals turned blue and half turned red. A section through stem also showed blue and red colored areas. What can she infer from this experiment? So please pause the video and check the given picture. Option A. Stem conducts water to all plant parts. Correct. B. Stem has localized structure for conduction of water. True. C. Stem conducts solutes along with water. True. So option A, B, C can she infer from this experiment? So option D, all of these. Option D, all of these. Next section is achiever section. So 16th. Study the setups shown below. Each test tube contains few bean seeds on the cotton wool. Farheen wants to carry out an experiment to show that warmth of the light is needed for germination to take place. So she wants to carry out an experiment to show that warmth of the light is needed for germination to take place. Okay. So please pause the video and study the given figures. Option A, P and W, B, R and W, C, Q and W, D, W and X. So we know seed requires water, air and sunlight to germinate. Okay, it requires water, air and sunlight to germinate. To test the essentiality of light, those two setups should be chosen where each should get air and water equally. But one setup should get light and other should not get light for a fair experiment. So all the conditions should be same except the availability of light for the fair experiment. So here P without light and W with light or two such setups should be chosen for Farheen. Okay, P and W. P without light and W with light. So the type of seed and then water, everything are same. So option A, P and W. Option A is the correct answer. 17th. 4 identical beakers W, X, Y and Z were set up as shown below and placed under a sunlight for a day. In which beaker will the concentration of the carbon dioxide be highest? Okay, in which beaker will the concentration of carbon dioxide be the highest? So please check option A, B, C and D. Okay, the concentration of carbon dioxide will be highest in the beaker Y. Okay, in the beaker Y, that is C, option C. As there are two organisms, because a plant hydrilla and an animal. Okay, animal is a water snail which release CO2 through respiration. So as the beaker is covered with a black bag, hydrilla will not be able to perform photosynthesis to take in CO2. In beaker W, that is option A, there is only one organism, water snail. It will produce CO2 through respiration. In beaker X means option B, plant hydrilla will produce CO2 by respiration, but it will absorb CO2 through the process of photosynthesis. In beaker X, there is no organism to respire and to release CO2 in water. So option C, it releases more carbon dioxide. Since it is covered with black bag, hydrilla will not be able to take in carbon dioxide to perform photosynthesis, and then water snail will release carbon dioxide through respiration. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. 18th. 3 different species of plants were selected by scientists who wanted to document their method of seed dispersal. The graph below shows the approximate number of seedlings found at various radii around the parent plant. What are the correct method of seed dispersal of each plant? So, species 1, water, wind, explosion. Species 2, explosion, animal, water. Species 3, animal, water, explosion and animal. Seed which are dispersed by wind. Okay, seed which are dispersed by wind are usually carried to far off places due to their small size and light weight. Example, seeds of cotton and dandelion. Okay. Similarly, seed dispersed by water are also light and can easily float. and carried to far off places by water current. Example, seeds of coconut. Seeds dispersed by animals can be carried by human beings and animals to nearer places as well as long distance from the parent plant. Explosive action of some species like balsam pea plant scatter them away from the parent plant, but it usually cannot able to disperse to far off places. Okay, so option C. Species 1 dispersed by wind, species 2 dispersed by animals, species 3 dispersed by explosion. Okay, so please pause the video and check the graph. Okay, yes, so option C is the correct answer. 19. The given figure shows some of the stages in the agriculture practice. Arrange them in correct sequence of order and select the correct option. So we know the correct sequence of different stages of agricultural practice are: first, ploughing the field. First one is ploughing the field. So D. First one is D. Next, second step is adding fertilizers to the field. So next B. Okay, first ploughing the field. Second, adding fertilizers to the field. Next, sowing the seed. So D, B, E. D, B, E. Third step is sowing the seed. And then fourth step is irrigation of crops. Fourth step is irrigation of crops. That is A. Next, last step is spraying pesticides. Option C. C. Spraying pesticides. So D, B, E, A, C. Option D is the correct answer. Option D. 20. The given diagram shows the life cycle of a plant. Okay. So which of the following statements are true regarding it? We need to select the true statement. Okay. 1. Sunlight is not needed at stage Q. Yes, correct statement, because plant doesn't need sunlight at stage Q. 2. Photosynthesis takes place only at stage R and S. Incorrect, because photosynthesis takes place at R, S and T. Okay, R, S and T. Third one. Stage P is not affected by what happens at stage T. It is also incorrect, because stage T will give rise to stage P. Okay, because stage T only produce flowers. From flowers fruit will come, and then from fruit seed will come. So 2 and 3 are incorrect. Next, 4. The seed at stage P needs air, water and warmth to reach stage Q. It is the correct statement. Seed need air, water and warmth to reach stage Q. It doesn't need sunlight. Okay, it need warmth. So option A, 1 and 4 only. Option A, 1 and 4 only is the correct answer. Thank you, my dear kids, for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, please mail me at easylearnfunnylearn@gmail.com. Thank you.